When we first moved in, this is what the primary bedroom looked like. Over 1 year ago, I made over this space as part of renovating my 1950s home and turned it into this. Since my style and taste in design has evolved and it has changed, it was time to change it once more. So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be refreshing and making over my primary bedroom once more, and I'm going to start by removing the curtains and filling in the hardware holes with some spackle to prep for paint. One of the biggest ways to make an impact in a room is by painting your walls, and I am making a huge change by going from super dark to super light, and I'm using the color Silky White by Behr. I always find that cutting in the edges and then rolling on the paint in sections is most efficient for me, especially because it makes it feel like it's less overwhelming, although it's really not. But 3 coats later, this is what it looked like. If you've been following me for a while, you probably remember me building this bed from scratch at the time. I'll have the video linked for you if you're interested. This time around, I will not be building my own bed.
This is the perfect time for me to thank Birch Living for sponsoring today's video. You're probably wondering, Glenda, what is Birch Living? Well, Birch Living is a premium mattress in a box company. Their non-toxic mattresses are made right here in America and are crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. It was important for me to choose a Birch mattress that was made with organic and natural materials because, like many others, I get very hot when I sleep. These materials help to regulate my body temperature and keep me cool overnight so that I don't have to wake up in the middle of the night to turn the AC down even further like I used to. In addition to being a better mattress for me, Birch is committed to being better for the planet. And I love that throughout the creation of their mattresses, Birch ensures that their materials are produced and harvested sustainably. Birch has several third-party certifications that you can learn more about in their certifications page. I ordered the Birch Luxe mattress, which is a premium upgrade to the original well-loved Birch Natural mattress. I've had it for a little over 2 weeks now and I absolutely love it. What I love most about it is the quality and comfort level compared to my old mattress. And like I mentioned before, I'm a very hot sleeper and that has dramatically changed since switching over to the Birch Luxe. Not to mention, it also looks like my manager has given her stamp of approval, which is always a plus. With your Birch purchase, you receive a 100-day sleep trial and a 25-year warranty. If you don't love it, they'll pick it up and you'll get a refund. Birch delivers right to your door for free in the US, and it comes rolled up in a box, and it's super easy to install yourself. Each Birch mattress comes with 2 of their Eco-Rest pillows that are made from recycled plastic bottles. If you're in the market for a new mattress, check out Birch. I love my Birch Luxe mattress, and I know that you would too. Click the link down in the description for $400 off your purchase along with 2 free pillows. Now back to the video.
I found these nightstands on Facebook Marketplace that was originally a desk or vanity, and also this bed frame that retails for over $400. The owner accepted my offer of $120 from their $200 asking price since they were moving that specific day. The nightstands were in decent condition, just really dirty. I've really enjoyed doing two-tone looks with furniture, so I knew that's what I wanted to go for. I won't show you every single detail of the process, but I applied stripper and removed the paint from the drawer fronts. While the base got a really good cleaning, I filled in some holes and then scuff sanded. Although they were already painted, I still primed and then applied 2 coats of the color Tanglewood from Behr. The drawer fronts I stayed in early American, and I applied 2 generous coats of water-based poly on the base and wax on the drawer fronts. While scrolling through Pinterest, I found this bench that retailed for over $500, so I decided to build a dupe that cost me about $13 in lumber. I cut two 2x6 boards to 3.5 feet for the top, and then I cut 4 legs at a 10-degree angle on both ends, making sure to make the cuts opposite of each other. I also cut 2 smaller pieces for the leg supports, also at 10 degrees, but both angled cuts facing the same way. To connect them, I used pocket holes and wood glue. I also used pocket holes and wood glue to join the 2 top boards together. I attached the legs to the top using, you guessed it, pocket holes and wood glue with a scrap piece of 2x4 as a spacer. I covered the holes with wood plugs. To achieve that weathered look, I took my jigsaw and used it randomly, and also a wire brush head on my drill. You could also use a hammer or chains to beat it. I stained it in the same color, Early American. I sealed the bench using some wax. One of the last but most important things to replace in this room that I didn't do last time was the fan. The one I had was really outdated, so I went for a more modern and sleek one. Unfortunately, I quickly realized it was going to be very hard for me to try and hold it up on my own, so I had to wait for my husband to get home from work to help me, but by then it was super dark, so I didn't capture any footage. But now that the room's complete, let's remember what it used to look like. And what it looks like now. This room has gone through quite some change, but I think I'm really going to enjoy the way it looks for now for quite some time. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all. Be kind, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.